Imagine a security camera that not only sees every corner of your property, but powers itself with the sun. A device so autonomous you could almost forget it exists until it catches exactly what matters. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we bring you thoughtful, unbiased insights on the tech that genuinely improves your home. Today, we're looking at the Tapo 2K Outdoor Pan/Tilt Wireless Floodlight Security Camera, Model C615F KIT. This is an all-in-one solution combining solar-powered battery convenience, 360-degree pan/tilt coverage, and advanced AI detection, all without a subscription. If you're someone who values effortless security, minimal maintenance, and flexible installation, this camera is immediately relevant. You'll find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment. This camera is designed for homeowners, renters, or anyone responsible for monitoring outdoor spaces, from driveways to backyards. Its combination of floodlight illumination, solar power, and AI tracking sets it apart in the crowded smart security category. Reason number 1, solar-powered, battery-free convenience. The Tapo C615F harnesses solar energy to stay charged, meaning you can largely forget about battery swaps or wiring. In direct sunlight, 45 minutes is enough to power it for a full day. Even without sunlight, the internal 10,400 mAh battery can last up to 140 days. Trusted by thousands of five-star reviewers, this system reduces both the hassle and cost associated with traditional wired or battery-based cameras. Reason number 2, 360 degrees pan/tilt coverage. Unlike fixed cameras, the Tapo pan/tilt mechanism allows complete horizontal rotation and 130 degrees vertical tilt. Combined with the wide-angle lens, you effectively monitor your entire outdoor area without installing multiple cameras. This makes it ideal for corners, wide driveways, or sprawling yards, providing true situational awareness. Reason number 3, high-definition 2K clarity. Recording in 2K resolution, this camera captures clear, detailed images even in low light, aided by its 800-lumen floodlight. Facial features, license plates, and subtle motion details are much easier to identify compared to 1080p alternatives, improving both security and peace of mind. Reason number 4, AI-powered motion tracking. The Tapo C615F uses advanced AI to detect people, vehicles, and even pets. Once it identifies movement, the camera automatically pans and tilts to follow the subject within its 360 degrees field of view. This ensures you capture actionable footage, reducing false alerts and providing meaningful notifications. Reason number 5, subscription-free local storage. Unlike many security systems that require a cloud subscription, this camera allows storage on a microSD card up to 512 gigabytes. You maintain full control over your recordings without recurring fees. Cloud storage remains optional through Tapo Care if you prefer remote backup. This flexibility is both cost-effective and convenient. Reason number 6, flexible, wireless installation. With its wireless, solar-powered design, you can install the camera almost anywhere, up to 13 feet from the included solar panel. This eliminates the need for hardwiring, while onboard cable management keeps your setup clean and professional. It's an ideal solution for renters or locations without nearby power outlets. Reason number 7, trusted cybersecurity standards. TP-Link is a signatory of the U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency's Secure by Design pledge. The camera is engineered to prioritize data security and privacy, making it suitable for sensitive environments while providing peace of mind that your recordings and network remain protected. Final verdict. The Tapo 2K Outdoor Pan/Tilt Wireless Floodlight Security Camera strikes a remarkable balance between convenience, performance, and security. While no system is completely immune to environmental limitations, extreme weather or shading may affect solar efficiency. It stands out for users who want minimal maintenance, broad coverage, and clear AI-powered alerts. For homeowners and renters seeking a premium, flexible, and secure outdoor monitoring solution, this camera delivers on all fronts. If you value effortless installation, autonomous operation, and high-resolution tracking, this system is worth considering. Take your time to assess your coverage needs and choose confidently.